G'day guys, so this video is a quick demonstration on how to change a battery in one of these Volkswagen remotes. So the first thing you want to do, pop the key out and you'll see a wee gap right there. What you want to do is put a screwdriver in there and pop it open. It doesn't have to be a big screwdriver, like so. Now that you've got the key open, what you have to do is pop this bottom bit off here. So on the underside of this part, get your screwdriver in and carefully wedge it up a wee bit. That wasn't very careful. Now your battery sits in the back. Just pop it out like so, and then chuck your new battery in.